Hi everyone, this is Chris Nisha and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into some absolute chaos, shaking up the C entertainment world. A massive audio leak just dropped, and short drama actress Gu Yushin is caught right in the middle of it. In the leaked recording, she is allegedly caught absolutely tearing into mainstream actress Su Yi behind her back. Publicly, she plays the supportive sisterhood card, but privately, the receipts tell a completely different story. Let's break down the drama. Part 1, the leak audio reverse. So here's what went down. An audio recording leak where Go Yushin directly takes aim at Su Ye. According to translation leaks, she can be heard saying, "I am riding Soye." Who is riding whom is not so clear. Soye is the one with the best resources. Li Bingbing is backing her. She even went so far as to downplay Soye's relevance entirely, claiming that a trending topic about them wearing the same outfit was bought by Soye's team to steal her buzz because Soye apparently had no buzz at that time. Talk about bold. Netizens immediately pointed out how two-faced this is. Publicly, Gu Yushin has pushed messages like, "Let's not pit women against each other. Every girl has it hard." But behind closed doors, she is actively accusing Soye of leeching off her fame. Netizens are asking, who is really cloud chasing here? Part 2, the comparison publicity strategy. Well, internet sleuths did what they do best. They dug up her history. And guess what? It looks like Gu Yushin has a pattern of using comparison-based publicity to build up her own name by latching onto bigger 95-line actresses. Look at these trending topics. We have Yang Si and Gu Yushin in the same frame. Gu Yushin acting in Best Choice Ever. So Yi and Gu Yushin matching outfits twice. She even has marketing posts actively calling her the short drama Liu Yifei. Netizens are pointing out that her agency is incredibly aggressive with its marketing, making sure she clings to the coattails of every major actress to boost her mainstream appeal. Part 3. Screenwriter exposes more blood, and the plot thickens. It is not just Zoe, a screenwriter, posting under the handle Yi Fei Ye Liv, came forward to accuse Gu Yushin of being a habitual backstabber. The screenwriter claimed that Gu Yushin frequently talks down about people the literal moment she meets them. Specifically, she reportedly swore up down that she would never work with Yu Xiaoju from Sheng Sha Candela again. But guess what? She allegedly turned right around and reunited with the actor for another project anyway, leaving the industry insiders mocking her for having two faces and calling her out for messy behavior during dinner deals. What's next? So is this a case of a short drama actress getting too big for her boots and getting caught out? Or is the industry just cutthroat? Netizens are heavily leaning toward calling her out for the blatant hypocrisy. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more C Entertainment drama updates. See ya next time. Bye!